So hello friend, welcome back to channel. Hope you are doing fine. Today we will discuss about some of the console, like this session what we are having. This is called console shortcuts. So what are the shortcut? So if I want to clear my screen, I have typed CLE clear. Okay, but there is another shortcut, Ctrl L. It's a shortcut for clear the screen. Okay, if you are doing something like df-h or something, it is coming and you want to clear it, Ctrl L. That's the command. Okay, you have to press and hold the control and press L. Okay, you should not do control release and then L. Control should be press and then L. So all the shortcut what I am going to tell you is with pressing control and pressing the other key also. Okay, so that is called control plus L or control plus C. Okay, so we'll discuss for clearing the screen, Control L. Okay, if you want to terminate, okay, some process is running, like we'll do find allow. Okay, it is running. I have pressed Control C. It got terminated. It came out of this. Okay, see, it is running. I will press Control and C. It's got exited. Okay, that process got terminated. Whatever you are doing. Okay, so Control C for terminate. Now I will tell you Control Z. So if we press the Control and Z, that process got stopped. Okay, stop working, but it's not terminated. If you go and find ps-ef pipe grep find, okay, see this process is still running here, is not got killed. But earlier, when we press Control C, it got terminated. Okay, so Control C for terminate, Control Z for pause the working command. Now we have like freeze unfreeze also on the screen. So for that I will show you one command, watch, and then we'll do df. Okay, so you just see here every 2 seconds df command will update here. Okay, so we are able to see some value are changing every 2 seconds. Okay, and timestamp is changing here, 11, 13, 15. Okay, so I am pressing Ctrl S. So now my screen got freeze. It will not update anything. It is freeze. See, time is not updating. This is not updating anything. It's got freeze. So to unfreeze, Control Q. Once I do Control Q, see that this thing, see, it started again. 40, 42. Here also you are able to analyze some change in slash, some files are in use. So this size is getting changed. Okay. So this how Control S to freeze the screen, Control Q to unfreeze the screen. Now if I want to kill this process, I have to use Control C. I have came out of that process, got terminated. Okay. Now I am typing a command like cat/etc and sys ctl.conf. Okay, so now my cursor is here. You are able to see cursor how it's moving. If I want to go in the beginning of the file, this how I am moving. But shortcut, if you press Ctrl A, it will reach to a starting of the line. If I press Ctrl E, end of the line. Ctrl A, beginning, Ctrl E, end of the file. So this type of shortcut makes your life easy to work in an environment, so you can do like quicker manner. Okay, so I am logging as a root or user and I want to log out. So what's the command? Log out. Log out. Okay, not working. There's stop process job. Okay, so if I do exit, I am able to do. Why logout is not working? Because there was one process which was in stop state. Exit is working. So I will log in again and I will do logout. This time logout is working. So there's a difference between logout and exit. Logout is like logging off from the system. So it will prompt you, okay, there are some process which is in stop state, and if you do exit, okay, it is forcefully get exit from that thing. So that's the thing. Now what I was trying to tell you, I have logged in as a root user. Let me clear my screen using Ctrl L. Now what's the shortcut to log out? Ctrl D. I haven't type logout or something. I press Ctrl D. I came out of that thing. We'll switch to another user, Amit. Okay. Now, if I want to exit from this, Ctrl D became root. If I press Ctrl D again, I will become vagrant user. Okay. So what we have done? Ctrl C to terminate, Ctrl Z to pause the working command. Okay, Ctrl S to freeze the screen, Ctrl Q to undo the freeze terminal. Okay, if I press Ctrl A, I will go in the beginning of the file. If I press Ctrl E, I will be the end of the file. If I press Ctrl D, it will log out. So this type of shortcut we are using in daily basis. It will make our life easier, and we used to work in a faster manner. There's a one more important thing, tab. Okay, above the caps lock you will find tab icon. So what's the use of tab? It will auto complete the syntax. Okay, like how it's doing vi slash, if I press E and tab, okay, tc complete. Now sys, okay, I have double type. So now sysctl.conf, sysctl.d, systm.d. So system will not decide itself. It's a after sys there are three things. Which one you want? So if I press C, so if I press C again, it will have two options, ctl.conf and d. So let me press C and tab. Okay, it have completed ctl. Now it will ask you want to open conf or d. So I press conf, C and tab. So auto completion. Okay, but that will work for the commands for the file name. If you go inside the file, this tab will not work. You have to type yourself. Okay, so like this is a command called service, ser tab service completed. Tab is very useful key in a Linux. It will help you to auto complete the syntax like cat and slash etc host, then we'll tap host.conf hostname. Okay, I want to go in a hostname file. I got the hostname of this. If I will go like this, cat slash e, then host, and I press S, it will open the host file. Okay, so what we have learned, Ctrl C, Ctrl Z, Ctrl S, Ctrl Q, Ctrl A, Ctrl E, Ctrl D, and tab. So that's all for today's video. Go check these things, become a habitual of this. If you are having any query, any question, put it in a comment box. I will help you on those things. Till then, keep practicing, keep working. Goodbye.